well. Lunga goes out.
Number 2.
Little deep ball looking for Butsia. Matthews. On the right-hand side, he's been a good addition. He was potentially offside there. By a whisker.
He was
Got
taking.
the little touch and does. There's the ball for Titus. Gets the square pass. And then to clear. They still haven't got rid of it. Stellamash Ribeiro now.
Oh, Kuliso! Hey, that's right back Africa yonke niyazi. That's right back Africa yonke niyalazi udaba.
One pass. And passes in, of course, on the ground. Masaluki didn't get the angles right. And he turns away. Can't turn away. Full of face. The shot up until the last second before you look away. Temazani with a turn.
Shishu yashelela. Shishu yashelela.
Adams has done well.
Hey, find our face, find no. Adams first,
Van Rooyen looking up. He's got Ricardo on his shoulder. Takes it quickly.
Woo! Oh, referee.
Go, I want to come on, first.
Hey, Allende. Aye, keeper. Aye. Oh, you must have Amtatele, the Omonare. Amtatele Mikel team about Jimmy. Oh, mom. Ooh.
Shell shock result for
Oh, cheese. Jimmy said cheese.
now one Suri and a bit of pressure, so is Malloy signing.
I go, repair. Titus. Oh,
Again.
I go.
Oh, Chachi.
Chance to get back in the game.
Free take out.
And it's away from
Open that key, free take out.
That's a lovely ball.
Corner. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, keep on on. Oh, bro.
Oh, man.
Something around there. Chance.
Plakard.
That's the shot in. Williams has slipped. See from the Wildens want to see the
Pass him, Kanyam. Over on the 5. First side. Over on the 5. First side. Let's
Super Sports.
Noni.
Do you have the air?
Sundowns players like a mini wall there. Now they're all marching back. Just a couple of seconds now, and Jelly Giovanni right on cue brings the first answer. Ura. Adams. Confidence from the home side. The paddles were so big. They came back for the replay against Jomo Cosmos. The own goal, won it for them. Do you remember? 10 minutes played in the second half. Turn here from Roach. Strike from Roach. Now Raiders will hold it up. There's a slip. That's Cassidy. Curls it in, back post. No one there. Here's Adams with Titus. Rooney. To replace Andre de Jong.
Oh no, it's not big.
Come on, progress to the semi-finals.
Quando tá feito,
Moves out Adams in the middle. Out comes Williams. Good challenge, Nduli. Now Raiders. This might be a bit more promising. Raiders looking for Titus. Raiders in again. Launched down. Pass to Sharonina. Well in here, looking for Toure, looking for the flick on. Clearance is from Launch. Trying to choose the Nduli. Pretty much the key man in the middle.
Hey, yo,
Yeah. That's the room. Balls was once again, Morena comes up trumps. Shuttling air. Not only to come from a build-up play. Play today.
I'm feeling for that's how you do it. But we don't pass. We need the final.
So, Shabani, you call him Alfred, I call him Jelly. On the money. The call. And he looks like the score remains. Do Stellenbosch have it within them to get back to this game? Titus clears. The entries are better, the quality of the movement in the ball, everything seems to get better and better. Was a bit of a problem.
You gotta get it Thulakale, ngakangena thulakale.
Excellent
Hey!
finish.
Hey! Ngakangena thulakale. Oh, bazumtshani. Game on! Game on! Game on!
An extra time.
Ngakangena thulakale.
Basanin gets it.
Hey.
Shane Ura. This is a proper cup tie.
That's all. It's passa. Oh, ligando. Olha, meu mano. Liga, mulher, velho. Oh, no mundo foi dos hours.
There's Van Dijk. Esquivel.
Chuchu. Man. That's all.
Might get another chance here though.
That's it. Bola wala
Time
man.
play. Could be taken further here up to Ura.
Mabela alwan.
Lord Chalonier. Lord's trying to turn. Remaining.
Once again, an opportunity for steady spin.
It's all over. James Jalali calls the game. Mamelodi Sundowns Orlando Pirates, and then they come one on June the 1st.